recipe. Yesterday, I went to a restaurant and ordered some delicious looking hamburgers. They tasted delicious too. So today, I'm going to show you how to draw a hamburger. This is the draft I made of my hamburger. If you want to draw with me, all you need is a piece of paper, something to draw with, and something to color with. Let's start drawing our hamburger. So about in the middle, and then on the top, I'm going to mark it here, we're going to draw a curved line going out to the left. This is going to be the top bun of our hamburger. And then we're going to start here, and we're going to draw another curve going out onto the right. Next, I'm going to draw a curved line connecting them. There. Next, let's draw some sesames on top of our bun. I'm basically drawing some small ovals, only shaped kind of like raindrops. There. I'm just going to draw 3, but you can draw as many sesames as you want. Next, I'm going to draw the lettuce, crunchy lettuce. I'm just going to draw a loop here, and then a wavy line, and then connect back into the hamburger. There. Next, I'm going to draw the tomato. So I'm going to start here, draw a line, slightly curved, and then here I'm going to draw a line also slightly curved, and then here I'm going to draw a line connecting both lines. This is the tomato. Next, I'm going to add a layer of cheese, square cheese. Here, I'm going to draw a line shooting out. And here, I'm also going to draw a line shooting out. And then here, I'm going to draw a line going up or down. And here, I'm going to draw another line going down. And then like that, connect them. Kind of like a triangle. Next, I'm going to draw the beef. The beef is kind of like the tomato, but a little bigger. So here, I'm going to draw a curved line, slightly curved. And then here, I'm also going to draw a slightly curved line. And then I'm going to draw it almost going through here, pretending it's going behind the cheese and all the way up to here. Next, I'm going to draw another layer of cheese. I love cheese. Here, I'm going to shoot out here with a line. I'm going to shoot out here with another line. And then here, I'm going to draw another line going down, another line going down, and then connect them. There. Next, I'm going to draw the bottom bun. So about here, I'm going to draw a slightly curved line. It's kind of like a U. There. I'm going to draw a plate around my hamburger. So we're going to start here and then draw like an oval-like shape around the hamburger. I'm going to add some detail. I'm going to draw another oval-like shape inside. There. We're done drawing our hamburger. Next, we're going to color it. First, I'm going to color the top bun with a light brown. I'm not going to color in the sesames. I'm going to leave them white since there are white sesames. But you can color your sesames black, or you can leave them white. I love hamburgers. There. I'm going to color the bottom bun too. Like that same light brown color. I'm going to darken it a bit here because of the cheese and all the way of the beef, the tomatoes, the lettuce, and the cheese all pressing down on the bottom bun. There. Next, I'm going to color in the lettuce using this crisp green, crunchy lettuce. I love the green. While you're coloring, make sure to dip in this spot because of the top bun on top of the lettuce. There. Next, I'm going to color in the tomato here with red. I love tomatoes. Well, you know how when you don't color it, the tomato and beef part look a lot alike. But once we color the tomato and we color the beef, we can tell apart which is which. Let's color the cheese next. I'm going to color it a yellow, a yellowish color. This yellow. I like this yellow. It looks like real cheese. There. Let's color the bottom layer of cheese right here. I'm going to color the same yellow. Coloring is fun. We're done coloring our cheese. Now it's time to color the beef patty. Since mine is beef, I'm going to color it dark brown, but that depends on what you like or what you have. If you like fish, you can color it pink, since some salmons are white or pink or white. Or if you're vegetarian, you can color it, just leave it white, because if you like tofu, tofu is white, but some fried tofu are very light yellow. So basically, you can color different colors. Now it's time to color the plate. I'm going to use a very, very light touch of blue because the plate is mainly white, but to give it a tiny bit of color, we're just going to color it blue. There. We're done coloring and drawing our hamburger. This is how my hamburger turned out. Thank you for watching. Bye!